The next online tool that we're going to focus on is the Classkick. Now, once you go to Google, type in Classkick, it allows you to sign up for free. Once you sign up for free, then you click on Helping Teachers Be Awesome. Now, this site is great for teachers to create assignment for their students. Now, when the teacher creates the assignment, the teacher can also send the assignment privately to each student. Once you have done all of that, it takes you to Classkick homepage. Now you go to Teacher Resources and it provides you with tutorials on how to get started with Classkick. Now I'm going to return to Classkick. Now here on the screen I have these that I already pre-made. These are assignments that I would have set already. So what we're going to do, create new assignment for our students, we click on the plus button. Now the plus button takes us to new blank assignment, create from file, or browse the library. When you click on create from file, it takes you directly to your documents that you have in your system. So you could go ahead and search, click for it, open, and it would have been there. So you wouldn't have to create again. Also, you could go on browse assignment library, where these are pre-assignments that are set already by teachers. But today we're going to look on new blank assignment. Once we click on new blank assignment, you go ahead and you give your assignment a name. So I'm going to give my assignment nouns. Then you give a description. Circling nouns in sentences. Once you do that, you realize down the bottom it says slide. This is what you're going to use now to create your assignment. However, you could go to the top, select your subject, your grade, access private only to your students. So I'm going to click on slide 1. So what we're going to do on slide 1 now is it that we want our students to fill in the blanks? Is it that we want to give them multiple choice? So the option is up to you what you want to give to your students. So I'm going to click on the T. The T gives you a text box. Once you click on the text box, it appears here. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to type in this text box. So the students would have gotten this question. The books are on the table. They would know once I post it, they would now be able to circle the correct answer based on the description that was given. Another great feature of the Classkick is if the teacher wants to read the sentence by recording it, so you're sending it to different students and some of your students might have reading challenges. Now you can record what the sentence says, post it back, and the students can record their answer. So I click on start recording. Remember, you are going to circle the nouns in the sentences. Number 1 sentence reads, the books are on the table. So I would have put that, and what I do is I place my recording beside the sentence. Now, once I'm finished with this sentence, or I want to put more, what I would do is go on another slide. On this slide, if you choose to use multiple choice, you go ahead and use your multiple choice. If you choose to use fill in the blanks, as I said before, you go ahead and do it. Now, also, if you have images that you want to add, you could go ahead and add your images. Now, once you're finished with this, you will just go ahead, click that, and your assignment would be here. So what you do after you have done this, it would have been sent, if you had selected the students, it would have been sent directly to that student, and that student would be able to complete the task. Another feature is that it provides you with points. So the work will be automatically marked. So it gives you 1 point, 2 points, or whatever points you want to allot for that particular question. So once you do that, you would, whether you want to edit, or you assign. So you click on assign. Now, when you click on assign, remember, as I said, it can go to private students. So you click on assign, your student's name would have been here. If you created the roster, so you could look on a sample one that is there already. Once you click there, you put whether the grade and you keep doing this. All right. So this, and then what you do after you have assigned each task to the specific student, you would click on view. So you are going to click on view. Once you click on view, it gives you example one. So this is what students one would have done. It would have given them their score, and then you could go ahead and put a comment if you want to put a comment there. And then that's it. So this is a great tool that could be used. Also, the students get to mark their names. It is awesome. Once you get the opportunity and the time, take a little time and go through and explore. So the students can go to slide one, they can click to slide two, so they can go ahead and complete their task.